Assalamu alaikum. Today's lecture is lecture number 3 for BS6 Analog Electronics, Lab 4, Major 2. My name is Ahmad Hassan. Experiment number 2: design and study full wave rectifier and bridge rectifier and study the effect of capacitor filter on its output DC voltages. Experiment is divided into two parts. First part is experimental work, including, as you know, operators, designing and procedures, circuitry and implementation, observation and calculations, sources of errors and precautions. Related theory. Afterwards, in related theory, you must write types of rectifiers and we implement bridge rectifier. So you must explain or you must tell why bridge rectifier is called bridge rectifier. Then DC current and voltage parameters. And the fourth point is filters and smoothing circuits. You must mention and explain capacitor filters, inductor filters and other types of filters. Then capacitors, working and principles, charging and discharging curves for capacitors, types of capacitors. Here both categories are necessary to mention. Structure wise types of capacitors, composition or material wise type of capacitors, polarity wise type of capacitors, and size wise types of capacitors. Then coding of capacitors. Capacitors are coded alphanumerically, so explain it in detail. The best book for this purpose is Grob, and at the last, applications and uses of capacitors. Now the topic is, our experiment is in particular to design and study 10 volt DC output bridge rectifier with 0.1 gamma factor or ripple factor, and determine the effect of capacitance on output voltage and gamma factor. As you know, for range from 1 to 0.01, we use simple shunt capacitor filters. Gamma factor beyond 0.01 is maintained by using pi filter, especially pi inductor capacitor filter or pi inductive capacitive filter. Here for 0.1 gamma factor or 0.1 ripple factor, we use only capacitor shunt filter or shunt capacitor filter. Helping books for this experiment are Electronic Devices by Thomas L. Floyd, Electronic Circuits and Systems by J.D. Ryder and Charles M. Thompson, and Electronic Principles by Albert Malvino or David J. Bates, known as Malvino's Electronics for Engineers, and Electronics book by T. Painter, and the last one is book by Bogart Jr. These two last books are for circuitry. These have detailed circuit implementations, circuit parameter explanation and designing of these circuits.